This is what the contact page looks like on most consultancy websites. A form with a phone number, email address, and a blank box to enter your query. A visitor lands at 8 p.m., wants to know if you can help with their problem, and the best they can do is fill in a box and hope someone replies. So I added an AI voice assistant on my consultancy website. The visitor speaks to it. It answers their questions. It qualifies whether they're a good fit, and it books a meeting, all before anyone in the office knows they existed. I am visiting Disney World with my kids right now. What you're seeing is Vasilij, my AI avatar. I help consultancies implement AI into their workflows, and this video is a working example. The ideas are mine. The delivery is AI. That's what practical AI actually looks like. You bring the vision, AI helps you get there. Let's continue the video. The problem nobody talks about. 39% of website conversations happen after the regular 9 to 5, when there is no one to respond. Most of the website, either they have a contact form or a regular chatbot to answer, both too slow and limited in capability. And speed matters more than you think. Websites who waited 5 minutes to respond increased the risk of that visitor leaving by 10 times, and those who delayed response by 10 minutes, 100 times. ElevenLabs AI voice agents solves this. Let's see how you can set this up and how does it performs. ElevenLabs is primarily known for voice generation, best-in-class voice quality, and 70+ languages. But the bit that matters for this video is their conversational agent product. What it is, a website agent that can talk or type, answer questions from your content, qualify inquiries, and hand off into your tools. 2 key integrations to know. 1. Booking, so a qualified visitor can book a call. 2. Webhooks, so the conversation can trigger workflows in whatever stack you already use. Now let's see how to set this up. Step 1. If you don't have an account, then create one in ElevenLabs.io. Then open the ElevenLabs dashboard. You will see a page like this. Select 11 agents. Then Agents. New agent. Blank agent. Enter your agent name and hit Create Agent. Write the system prompt. This is where you tell the agent who it is, what firm it represents, what it can answer, and what it should not try to answer. This is where most people get it wrong. A vague prompt produces a vague chatbot. So be specific. Here's the actual system prompt we use for AiGentic Lab. The agent knows our services. It can qualify visitors by asking about firm size, current AI usage, and what problem they're trying to solve. And it knows when to suggest booking a call instead of guessing, and various other instructions. I have attached the system prompt in the description in case you want to see it. Step 2. Choose a voice. Over 5,000 options, including custom voice clones, like Jason.
The sea's waves are cradles for the dreaming mind.
Catherine.
We invite you to get inspired by the warm elegance of our world and embark on a curated journey with us.
Asher.
Asher is a warm, clear, and conversational voice with confident, grounded delivery, natural pacing, friendly authority, and engaging presence.
Pick something that matches your brand. Step 3. Add your knowledge base. Upload your services pages, case studies, pricing guide, FAQs. We directly added our website URL to access our content. ElevenLabs uses built-in RAG to index this content. The agent answers from the knowledge base rather than making things up. One limit to know. Non-enterprise accounts cap at 20 megabytes or 300,000 characters. That's enough for most consultancies. Not enough if you're a law firm trying to upload your entire document library. Step 4. Connect calendar booking. Now go to the Tools section. To let the agent actually book meetings, you need to connect it to a calendar tool using a webhook. We use cal.com for this. I won't walk through the full setup here, that's a video in itself. But I'm linking the cal.com integration documentation below so you can follow along step by step. Once it's connected, the agent can check availability and book a call. Step 5. Embed the code into your website. Go to the widget section and copy this code snippet and add this into your website. If you don't know how to do this, then you can watch this video guide. And done. After completing all the steps, your voice agent will be live in your website. Okay, now you've seen the build. Now let's stress test it. I have added my own custom voice in this website. I'm going to throw 5 things at this agent, the kind of things a real visitor would ask. First, a basic service question. What does AiGentic Lab actually do? AiGentic Lab helps small and mid-sized businesses like yours understand and implement practical AI solutions. We focus on streamlining your operations, automating manual tasks, and improving decision-making, all without the jargon or hype. We offer services such as AI agents for sales, operations, and customer service, workflow automation, and training to help you integrate AI effectively. Second, lead qualification. This is where the value is. So we're a consulting firm, and we've been hearing a lot about AI, but where do we even start? That's a common question we hear from many consulting firms. It's easy to get overwhelmed by all the AI talk. At AiGentic Lab, we specialize in helping businesses like yours cut through the noise and find practical starting points. A great first step is often our free AI assessment. It helps you understand where your business currently stands and identifies key areas where AI could make a real difference. From there, we can explore how AI agents, workflow automation, or data mapping could specifically benefit your consulting operations. Let's see how it handles out-of-context questions. Can you train our whole team on Excel? While we focus on AI implementation and automation, training on general software like Excel falls outside of AiGentic Lab's core services. Our expertise lies in helping businesses understand and integrate AI agents, workflow automation, and data mapping to improve their operations. Now let's book a meeting using it. I would like to book a discovery call for next week. That's great. I can help you with that. To book your discovery call, I'll need your full name and email address. Also, could you please let me know which day and time next week would be best for you? My name is Vasilij, and my email is vasilij@analytium.com. Thank you, Vasilij. I have your name as Vasilij and your email as vasilij@analytium.com. To finalize the booking, could you please tell me your preferred day and time for the call next week, and also your time zone? In the email, it is Vasilij. Thank you for clarifying the spelling. So your email address is vasilij@analytium.com. Now, to book your discovery call for next week, could you please let me know your preferred day and time, and also your time zone? It's UK time zone, and book any available slot. Okay, I will look for any available slot for you next week in the UK time zone. Please give me a moment to check the schedule. Okay, I see several available slots next week. I'll go ahead and book the earliest one for you, which is on Monday, April 13th at 4:30 a.m. UK time. Booking your discovery call now. Your discovery call has been successfully booked for Monday, April 13th at 4:30 a.m. UK time. You should receive a confirmation email shortly at vasilij@analytium.com with all the details. See, it booked me a meeting, which is great. Let's give it something adversarial. This feels like a scam. Are you just harvesting my data? I understand why you might feel that way, especially with all the discussions around AI and data. I can assure you that AiGentic Lab is absolutely not in the business of harvesting your data. Our mission is to make practical AI accessible for small and medium-sized businesses, and that includes being transparent and responsible with how data is handled. We actually have resources like our AI masterclass on AI bias, privacy, and risk that delve into these very concerns to help businesses deploy AI responsibly. We focus on building trust and providing real value, not on collecting personal information. Overall, it's a good starting point, but with some prompt refinement, we can cut the fluff, add personality, and make it respond the way a real salesperson would on a call. Before you rush to add one, here's what you need to know. Number one, knowledge base quality is everything. If the agent doesn't have the answer in its knowledge base, it will either hallucinate or give a generic response. You need to invest time upfront writing clear, specific content. Number two, voice quality is excellent. Conversation intelligence varies. The underlying language model determines how good the dialogue is. ElevenLabs lets you choose the model. The best ones cost more per minute. Test before you commit. Number three, this is not a replacement for human follow-up. The chatbot qualifies and books. A human still shows up and closes the deal. Number four, privacy and GDPR. Conversations are processed through ElevenLabs' servers. For most consultancies, that's fine. For regulated industries, finance, legal, healthcare, check the data processing agreements carefully. ElevenLabs does offer HIPAA compliance on higher tiers. So when should you actually do this? Add a voice chatbot if 1. Your website gets traffic but your contact form barely converts. 2. You lose leads after hours or over weekends. 3. Your pre-sales questions are repetitive and answerable from existing content. 4. You want to position your firm as forward-thinking without committing to a 6-month AI project. And the numbers? ElevenLabs monthly pricing starts at 10 cents per minute, drops to 8 cents on annual business plans. For a consultancy getting 20 conversations a day at 3 minutes each, roughly 1,800 minutes a month, on a monthly plan at 10 cents a minute, that's around $180 a month. On an annual plan at 8 cents a minute, that drops to around $1,700 a year. For context, a single Google Ads lead in business services averages over $100. One qualified lead from the chatbot and the month has paid for itself. Hold off if 1. Your website gets fewer than 10 visitors a day. Fix traffic first. 2. Your services aren't documented anywhere. The chatbot needs content to work with. 3. You have no process for following up on the leads the chatbot qualifies. A chatbot that books meetings nobody attends is worse than no chatbot at all. So here's where we are. Most consultancy websites are silent after 6 p.m. A voice AI chatbot costs less than a single Google Ads lead and works around the clock. The technology is ready. The question is whether you are. If you want to try it right now, go to AiGenticLab.com. The chatbot you just saw in this video is live. Talk to it. If you want us to build one for your firm, we offer this as a done-for-you service. Setup, knowledge base, voice selection, website integration, all handled. Links in the description. Not sure if your website is ready for this? Take the free AI readiness assessment. 30 minutes. No pitch. Just clarity on where to start. If you found this useful, subscribe. I break down AI tools for consultancies every week. See you in the next one.